Okay, so next one is called Potty Time. And then just like for a lot of these songs in this Potty Time unit, you can find all of the Potty Time words in the resources below if you can't find them underneath this particular song. So this one's nice and easy. It's called Potty Time, so we sign Potty Time, right? That's our T and it goes back and forth. Potty Time. And then again, it's potty time. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a couple of signs. You don't maybe need to get them all in, but you can practice them as you go. So listen to your body when it's time to go potty, okay? And then she says this again, it's potty time, it's potty time. Every day you're growing and the signs are showing. So you're kind of like show something. It's potty time. You can do it, just stick to it. You're gonna get through it just fine. Come on, it's potty time. Very cute, very easy. It's a fun little diddly to sing while you're waiting on potty time. So let's do it. Ooh.
It's potty time. It's potty time. Listen to your body when it's time to go potty. It's potty time. It's potty time. Every day you're growing and all the signs are showing. It's potty time. You can do it. Just stick to it. You're gonna get through it just fine. Come on, it's potty time.
It's potty time.
It's potty time. It's potty time. It's potty